Hi guys! In today's tutorial, we'll use text, motion, and blend mode to add a creative torn paper text effect. If you want to achieve this effect in your own videos, then don't miss today's tutorial. First, let's launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. Let's start by preparing the text that will appear at the beginning of the video. Click the text icon in the toolbar to generate the text. In the inspector, edit the desired text content. Choose a lateral font. Adjust the text size to the maximum. And use the show or hide layering toggle button to make it fill the screen. Once done, choose a bright color. And remove the shadow by scrolling down. This completes the editing of the text. Find the camera icon above the preview window and click it to capture the current screenshot. Next, let's add the two types of the text that will appear in the torn paper effect. We can continue adding the text we just created. Find a button in the interface and go to the background section to change the color to white. In the inspector, replace the text content and choose a flatter and rounder font. Adjust the text size and place it appropriately in the center of the screen. And change the color. You can choose an orange color similar to the previous one. Once again, click the camera icon to capture image. Repeat the process for editing the third type of the hello font. Open the titles panel in the top left corner and drag the text preset onto the timeline. Make basic edits in the inspector and click the Edit Text button to enter the advanced editing page. Scroll down to the text color area and change it to white. Then go to the text border area and change the color to gray. Adjust the size and click Apply to make the adjustments. Generate a screenshot using the same method. Now we have three completely different text images. Finally, don't forget to click the button to change the background color to dark gray. And capture a screenshot to obtain a solid color image. Import all this image into the software, and we have completed all the preparations. Drag the solid color image to the video track. Adjust the duration, and then drag it to the overlay track. Click the motion icon to animate it. Click Add Keyframe on the first frame to set position to fill the entire screen, and select only the last few letters within the frame. Then move the playhead forward and click Add Keyframe again to create an identical keyframe. Add a speed curve to make the animation smoother. Go back to the first keyframe. Move the frame to the left until it is out of the screen. And click Add Keyframe on the last frame to maintain the state. Preview the animation and click Apply to return to the main interface. Now, adjust the scale in the inspector to fill the entire screen, and scroll down to the compositing area. Select the screen blend mode, and the animation is complete. Now import the torn paper asset and the video. I will put the torn paper asset in the fan club, so go join the club and get a material for free. Find the button and click it to generate several more overlay tracks. drag the asset to a new overlay track and adjust the scale in Inspector. Then go to the compositing area and add a color dodge blend mode. Next, drag the other text image to the remaining empty overlay tracks and added their animation effects one by one, following the same principle as before. Be careful not to move the frame out of the screen, just let it move within the current frame. After editing the animation effects for these 3 text images, we go to the inspector and add a linear bird blend mode for all of them. Then click the button to adjust their positions to create a better composition. Once all of this is done, drag the video to the top overlay track. And add a hue blend mode to achieve more innovative effect. Additionally, you can add a suitable background music by dragging it to the audio track to make the overall effect more complete and rich. Alright, that's it for today's video. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!